They say that all these Fulanis where they deploy for Imo State take do election, no be small thing o, and they don't get another job. Their latest job now na to dey carry people dey enter inside bush. Una know wetin they dey do there na? Na be kidnap. No be small thing o. A lot of things now dey happen for inside Imo State, especially near army barrack wey be say na army go dey protect those Fulanis wey dey carry people dey enter inside bush, dey collect everything wey dem get and call their family to come bring something come. They say that as this man now come expose them for inside plateau, say na Nigeria army dey guide all those Fulanis wey dey attack some villages. For inside Imo State, the same thing wan happen. Now our brother wey dey call Nonsonkwa don come outside, come shout, give hope Uzodinma for the things wey dey do for Imo State. Say when im go get out of hand, nobody go fit control am again. No, my people, let's go and find out how this thing dey happen. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We still dey here, dey bring you updates back to back as e dey hot. My people, if you know say you never subscribe to this channel, may you quickly do so, because our update no dey finish. Our update no dey finish. No be small thing. They say that all the whole Fulanis wey hope Uzodinma carry come for Imo State to take do election. They say, you know, say that time when they go say they do something, Imo youth to come, you go come dey see abokis wey wear slippers dey everywhere. Na Imo youth to come dey talk say no be them o. This one na abokis. They say those one now don get new job. And all the whole corners where these people dey, the worst part of it be say that the army people get their checkpoints for all the whole places. If the evil wey dey happen for that place, you no go believe am. My people, things are really happening. This one na for Imo State. Now so it dey start from other part of Nigeria. Na for Imo State, for inside Biafra land o, e don even start for there again. And this our brother wey dey call Nonsonkwa don still come talk for the matter. Abeg, may you watch this video while one play, may you understand wetin this our brother dey talk, because ndeba isi na amụ kwa mmiri tupu obodo ozuzo ka ejikwa ehihie wee chụọ ojii before chi wee jie. Watch this video and we'll come back and talk more about it.
Odinma, ụmụnne m ndị Imo, ọ dị mkpa na okwu anyị kwuru ugbu a na anyị kwuru ya ka ndị mmadụ nwee ike ghọta ihe anyị na-ekwu na o teela iji kwuo ya. And ka anyị na-ekwu ya bụ ka gọọmenti steeti Imo dị aware. Unu ahụla ihe mege na Plateau steeti, unu ahụla ihe mege na Benue steeti, ndị Fulani na-achị nnama. Ụdịrị ihe ahụ ga-eme n'Imo steeti if care is not taken. Ehụ na obi ize, ehụ na ebe foto gate, front gate foto, back gate foto, side ihe agba, ọfọrọla, ụmụaka nne, avo. Ehụ na these places, ndị Fulani na-achị nnama na-atọrọ ndị mmadụ on daily basis. Fulani Heřdsmán na-atọrọ ndị mmadụ. All these places I mentioned now, because ebe ndị a nwere ọhịa. Fulani Heřdsmán na-atọrọ ndị mmadụ na avo, na-atọrọ ndị mmadụ n'obi ize, na-atọrọ ndị mmadụ na foto gate foto, front gate foto, back gate foto, ọfọrọla, ụmụaka nne. Ihe anyị ji ekwu ya wu, anyị na-etikwe mkpu a ka hapụ iwe echi asị o nwere onye hụtara ihe a mgbe ọ na-eme. Ekwu okwele m ihe now. Onye ọbụla awụ onye avụ, onye ọbụla wụ onye ụmụaka nne, ọfọrọla, ihe agba, obize ga-agwa gị na ndị Fulani na-achị nnama on daily basis every week. Ndị a na-atọrọ ndị mmadụ na cash out. Ndị Fulani na-achị nnama na-atọrọ ndị mmadụ na cash out. The worst part wụ na nke a na-eme n'obize, ndị amị nọ there. That is a military checkpoint, even na that photo junction. Even in Obize, enwere barracks ndị amị n'Obize. Ebe ihe a na-eme, ndị amị ma ya. Ebe ndị Fulani na-achị nnama na-agba, ndị amị na-anụ ya. Mana ndị amị nụcha ya ha agba nkịtị. Ndị Fulani na-achị nnama aga n'ihu na-atọrọ ndị mmadụ n'Obize, atọrọ ndị mmadụ na ava, atọrọ ndị mmadụ na ụmụaka na ụmụ ọfọrọla n'ihi agba, atọrọ ndị mmadụ na foto gate, front gate. Ihe ndị a na-eme on a weekly basis, on a daily basis. Yet We have security apparatus. We have Onyishinde Army here. We have Onyishinde Police here. We have Onyishinde DSS here. All this is happening. But after all, how can Undimo? Obasakrano ha? How about it here and there, man? Obruna ibondami ebubo now that the hammer here again now. Give her how about I put police ebubo na ha na ndi Fulani na china manaroko now. Give her how about for the past 4 years. This thing has been happening. Government are watching kitty. Very soon they are building arsenal. Before you know it, Imo State Adika Benue, Imo State Adika Plateau. We will keep shouting it. We will keep saying it. Obru Nandi police Nandi aya when Imo State actually check out the life and property of Igbo people. They should get away from Imo State. They should get transferred from Imo State if they are not ready to protect life and property. Fulani na chinna magana atronde mado on daily basis here. Atrohana 2 million, Atrohana 3 million, Atrohana. The last one Hatrola Navo, Hasi the man, Nia Wasra Egan and the OCDA. Olonina Ronavo, no Hagana nego OCDA. The go to the Fulani na chinnama, she does Imo State, Arola OCDA. Accolade Egon the OCDA. These guys in Accolade 1 million, 2 million, 3 million on daily basis, making millions. Government are marketing. Government are marketing. Nonsonkwa put a hashi okole, but you cannot do what you're supposed to do. You know? The government of Imo State should look into the Fulani Heřdsmán kidnapping. Navo. Oforola. Umuakane. Obize. Around Futo. Kampukwe yoso. Kaine good information. Aine good information. Kamunu garoru nu kweshireru. Ihunu gano propaganda. And they waste the life. They waste the money. They waste the resources. The government of Imo State should call the commissioner of police and call the army brigadier, whoever known at that office. They should wake up and do their work. The DSS man should wake up and do his work. Avo, Obize, Oforola, Umuakane, around Futo and Ihiagwa. Fulani Heřdsmán, Eba Hokahana camp. Now to run them mad. Now people go on daily basis, on weekly basis. All these things are happening. Unless we with another agenda, with another agenda, fine. Then the people can protect themselves. But we all Joe, no did he for the past how many years now? About Kitty, Yagani Huneme. Arumuwo. Muhomaka, Oworum, Muhanagamaka, Mamaka Hankenkaraka, Genemusubu. Hoha! You people should do your work. You people should do your. Read those forests of Fulani Heřdsmán and stop this unwarranted and unnecessary kidnapping and the wastage of money. 2 million, 3 million, 5 million. Here, Uche go can have here.
No be so Martin, no. You don't see him. You don't hear everything. Where this our brother talk for this video, the things where they happen for Imo State. And now so it go they happen for other states for inside Biafra land. And the worst part of it, say our people no waiting they go on. I be the thing. The one that they carry food now, they watch videos on. They know waiting they go on for inside Biafra land. They pay me. We sit there here, they give you up there. They tell you say waiting they happen. And no fit stand up. Ask people where they rule now. Say this thing, what would they see, where they happen, how it they happen. However, let's jump into the next matter where we get for our hand. My people, as we they talk right now, they say now one woman right activist don't still come aside though. He can't tell the Nigerian government all these things where they go do. They carry army, they enter different places. e no go solve the problem of Nigeria. The only thing wey fit solve the problem na be dialogue. Let me play you this video, may you watch, and before we will come back and continue.
Question number one. So, in Nigeria, do we want to be one? It's an assumption that we want to be. It's a terribly big and wrong assumption, because when I went to Croatia, Croatia was part of the 6 countries that formed Yugoslavia. Right now they're doing very well. Macedonia is doing very well. Slovenia is doing very well. Slovakia is doing very well. So nothing says that we must be one country. Nothing. It's not sacrosanct that we must be one country. If in being one country you have all the killings you have in Jos, in Abuja, everywhere, what's the point being one country? So that's why, in looking at President Tinubu's governance program, I would remind him of a structural engineer who says, I can't build this house, I can't build Nigeria on the basis of a weak governance structure. It is the most important and fundamental process if you want a country to grow. So Nigeria's governance structure is very weak. The first is, any nation not at peace, and I always like to use the analogy of marriage. If, for instance, every day you get up and you and your wife are fighting, you cannot have peace, and you cannot think about how to develop. So the first thing we have to do in Nigeria is we have to organize peace. Because if we don't organize peace and security, you can't have good governance. So that is the step number one. And I also made the point at the lecture that to continue to do the same thing with the same result is a mistake. We cannot resolve our problem by military solution. It will not happen. Quote me. If we continue on this path to deploy the military, deploy resources, I don't even know how much has been spent by the military in acquiring armaments, we can't win. And the simple reason is you don't use military solutions for what is called irregular warfare. Where do you find these Boko Haram people or the bandits? So military option will not give Nigeria peace. Rather, what you need is to go back and say, before 1914, who were the owners of Nigeria? When you invite those who were owners of Nigeria, Benin Kingdom in the Guinness Book of Records has the largest man-made structure in the world. The wall they built, bigger than the Chinese wall. People don't know this. So that is an extremely old empire. And the man who sits on that throne, the Oba, controls a humongous amount of political power. Then you count the emirs, you count my own OB, yet you exclude them from the process of development. Is a huge error. It's a huge error. So this is what we need to do. We need to bring in all these guys. We need to bring in Ohaneze, Pandef, Arewa, Afenifere. These are the people that will shape Nigeria and give us political peace for development. So that's the first point on governance.
Our own contribution for inside this matter, the final solution for inside Nigeria problem now to call a round table for a referendum, so that people will decide their fate, because this amalgamation done by Frederick Lugard is never a consent of our ancestors. So we have to decide whether we go there as a one or not. Then that will tell us where we are going. But all these things, whether they beat around the bush, if they talk the same military, UK, British, who want support on they face a lot of crisis for their own side. So you see Nigeria now running helter-skelter because that military help when I get that time, not before this present situation of things where they happen for the whole world, where everybody now they prepare how to save their own people. Which preparation our Nigeria government is doing at this condition? Don't you people seeing what is going on around the world as we they talk right now? Where other people, the countries now, the European countries, all of them are preparing, renewing all their bunkers, renewing everywhere, so that in case of waiting what happen, if it stop, their people go fit see where they go save where they go put their head, which one on our own people they prepare for now to dey cause more problem, more pains for inside people body. This country it don expire since more. Na remember the only solution make everybody carry in chair go in papa house. We don talk am so many times, but this money wey una dey share, una think say na so una go dey share and dey go, e no go be there forever. The solution is now. Call a round table, release the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Una get opportunity to talk to am for inside that place, una no want. Rather, una hold am. Carry am go court, una say no, una still hold am. However, my people, share this video so that e go get to other people. Make other people know wetin dey happen, and make dem also share the video. Share the video, please. Share the video, very, very important. And make sure say you drop your own opinion for inside comment section.